Hello guys, welcome to my sixth video tutorial on HTML5, and we will continue with more some new stuff from HTML5 and CSS3. Now, in this video I'm going to show you some new things you can do in CSS3. Now the first thing I want you guys to do, let's clean this up and let's save this. And we can take this out as well. Here. Now, here, let's create a new div. ID. And let's call this parent. Let's close div. And here, let's type P class equals, let's call this child, or instead of child let's call this a kid. Now let's grab this, copy, and paste it like this. Okay, so in some other programming languages, as you probably already know, we call, in this case, we call the paragraphs the child nodes. Okay, and the child nodes have a parent. In this case, I typed and give the name parent as well to the ID, or sorry, to the first div. So this first div is the parent, and we call this the child nodes, which are 4. Okay. Also, we can call the body grandparent. Okay. Now, these child nodes, I'm going to type here some things. Let's say I like CSS3. I like HTML5. I like PHP. I like JavaScript. Okay. Let me just check this and run it. And okay, here it is. We have here the 4 paragraphs. Now I'm going to show you a cool thing you can do with CSS3, which is basically this little thing here. We type P and then the nth child, parenthesis, and curly bracket, curly braces, and here you can type color, let's say red. Okay. Now in the parenthesis, when I type here P and this nth child means all the childs, which are the P, the paragraphs, and I did this wrong here. It's P, closing P, not closing div. Save it. What this do is, for example, let me give you an example and type, for example, a 2 here. Let's save this. Now, if I run this in Chrome, oops, not this one here, sorry. If I run this in Chrome, this is the result. The result is whatever child as a paragraph number 2 was, so the number 2 paragraph applies the color red. it will be applied the color red to whatever child number 2. Okay, as you can see, as you saw, that it works perfectly. Now let's say I want number 1. Number 1. Okay, now this is pretty much a simple thing you can do, but I did this just for you to see that you can, between the parentheses, you can do a lot of stuff and a lot of formulas, complex formulas, to choose the childs, okay, and apply the properties you want to whatever child you want. Let's say let's choose only the odd childs, okay, and see what happens. If I click refresh, only the odd childs paragraphs will be at red. Okay, I can also repeat this, and here instead of odd, type even, refresh, and let's change the color to green. And you'll get a pretty cool effect on all the odds and even paragraphs. Okay, let's say you have a bunch of a lot of lines or videos or pictures or something you're selling, and you want odds and evens to have different to create a better visual effect, to have different evens and odds have different colors, okay, or sizes. So you can choose this formula to do that. Okay, now you can still use a lot of different formulas, say from 3 to 3 paragraphs, you choose a different color, or some other formulas you have. You have a lot of formulas, and I'm gonna post in the comment section later on. I'm gonna post a resource or some a website where you can see and create those formulas. We'll help you to create those formulas. Okay, but now this is a good example for those or for these samples that I wanted to show you. Now I want to show you also a different thing. Let's take the div parent out, and here instead of class, let's type, for example, let's turn back and type the name and name. Now I'm going to show you how you can use regular expressions. I'm not sure if you guys already know what regular expressions are from PHP, but probably some of you already know what they are, and you can use them in CSS3 now as well. Let's say kiddos, new kid, hi kiddos, and kidding. Let's save this. Let's go here, and let's take this one out, and in here let's type P, and here let's type here name equals, and here let's type kid. Now just before the equal sign, you type this symbol right here. Okay, what this symbol does is, remember in the last video that I told you that between these square brackets, this is the attribute selectors, the color red in this case will be affected only to the name kid. In this case we don't have any name kid, but this symbol here, okay, is a regular expression, and what it says is whatever name, attribute name kid, that has the kid at the beginning of the sentence or the word, please apply the color red. What I mean by this is, for example, in this case, kid as a first word only applies to this one here, which is kid is the first in this word, kiddos. So you see kid is here and in here as well. So it will apply this one and this one. Let's see if it works. Let's run this. And sorry, something is wrong. Let me just check. Of course, this dot is, we have to take this dot out. Okay, let's save this. Let's run this in Chrome. Oops, sorry. This one in Chrome, and there it is. Okay. The first and the last one, which are the one that has kid at the beginning of the word, okay, so every single attribute name which has the kid as the beginning of the word will be affected. Now we can also use another regular expression, which is dollar symbol, which means at the end of the word. So if kid is at the end of the word, in this case is in here, and that's it, that will be affected. As you can see, there it is. And at last, the other that you can use is this one here, and this means that whatever paragraph that has attribute name and the kid is in whatever place of the word, either at the beginning of the word, at the end of the word, or in the middle, please apply the color red. And basically are all of them, kid here, and kid here, not this one. Okay, the three. Let's run this. Well, all of them. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, these are the regular expressions. I think there are more regular expressions that you can use, but these are the most important ones. Okay, so that's basically it. If you have any questions, just post the questions in the comment section below or send me a message. Okay, bye.